This is how to create a Booking.com listing from scratch. The first thing is that you don't go to Booking.com, you actually go to Booking Extranet. It's not in Booking.com, the booking website, it's in Booking.com, the partner website. It's this one where it says admin.booking.com. The first, you create an account. When you create the account, it will ask you for the email address and a mobile phone. Once you create your account, it will start by asking to list your property. I'll go for a home. I go list your property, the entire place. It's a holiday home. It's a single one. It'll ask you here, where else is your property listed? And this is one great thing actually about Booking.com. The first time we did it this way because we didn't know what to do with Booking.com. It was the first time, but then we learned it's much easier in Airbnb. So what we do now is we go to Airbnb, create the account in Airbnb, post all the photos, etc., finish in there. And then we import everything from Airbnb in here, and import absolutely everything. The photos, the description, the title, all of it. The number of rooms, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, all of it. Because this is creating from scratch Booking.com video, I'm going to say that my property isn't listed on any other website. However, if you're planning to list both in Airbnb and Booking.com, my recommendation is start with Airbnb. It's way more user-friendly, and then just import it from Airbnb here, and that's much easier. Okay, well, let's give it a name. I'll call this phone house. I'll make up an address. You select where it's going to be shown in Booking.com. In this imaginary house, my house will have a 2 double bedroom, and it can stay up to 4 people, and there is only 1 bathroom. Heating, free Wi-Fi, there's kitchen, has almost everything. Do you serve? I don't serve breakfast. No, that's not something. Makes things way more complex. Is parking? Yes, free parking. I speak English, Italian, Spanish, French. Oui. I don't speak French. Smoking allowed? No, smoking not allowed. Pets? I don't know. Okay, I won't allow pets. Just check in from 3 and then check out until 11. As usual, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to create the property description. I went to ChatGPT and created this description. Welcome to this cozy 2-bedroom house with 1 bathroom, perfect for a relaxing getaway. This charming home is equipped with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. And then the host, well, you write something about yourself or the company if you're doing in the name of a company. The neighborhood. In your case, describe what's around, what's nice about it, what people can find. In this case, because it's oddly run and it's the fun house in the best place in Leeds, I'm just going to say it's the best place in Leeds. Photos. As I've said before in other videos, photos are very important. Don't upload photos of yourself. Definitely don't upload photos of yourself. But what I was trying to say though is that don't upload photos that you took yourself. Unless you're a professional photographer, of course. If you don't have the equipment and the software to edit them and make them look amazing as professional photographers do, then just pay someone, because literally the number of bookings that you get will be defined so much by just the photos that you post. They will be the ones that catch people's eye among the large number of options that they have. In this case, for this example, I'm just going to get some random free stock photos online. So yeah, now I got my photos. Of course, I'm going to choose the best one, the one that says, ooh, it has nice views. Or if I want to make sure it's cozy, then maybe this one. Generally, I don't go for charging with credit cards at the property. So we just allow Booking.com to take the payments, and of course they will charge us a 1.3% on top of the 15% for the booking. In this case, it's telling me what's more or less the pricing that is around for this type of houses in this location. I am going to make sure the mine is very expensive so that no one books it. Cancellation policy. I generally go for fully flexible. That's it. They can cancel up to 1 or 2 days before the check-in. This is one thing about Booking.com that I really don't like much. It's about the pricing reduction. So I generally just go for there's no reduction for less guests. If they want to stay, then they have to pay the full price. If it's only one person, well, then that's fine. So what happens when I do that? I reduce the population that is looking for my place, because of course it's priced for 4 people, and then it means one person booking for a cheaper house might not book mine. The problem is that one person books the house for the rate of one person, then I lose the chance for my property to get booked for the rate of 4 people. So I made less money. And also, when you have different websites where you're posting it in Airbnb and Booking.com, the pricing for extra guests or less occupancy, it changes. And then you end up with the same property, different prices in different websites, and then it's very difficult to control. I generally don't like to sacrifice the opportunity to make more money for the same amount of time for just trying to please everyone. And also, if they book for one person and then 4 people turn up, you don't have to be policing around, making sure that no, you have to pay extra if you bring more people into the house. It just avoids all that annoyance and just makes things simple, and then you can focus on all the more important stuff. Of course, I give discounts. Generally go for 15 during the week, and then 30 for 28 nights, because you have to check that you're still profitable with that discount. But make sure that you do give discounts for 7 nights and 28 nights, so that it's more attractive to people to book longer stays, and then more money for you. Once you get to this step, you're just going to say, I'm not ready. The moment that you put open for bookings, you can start getting bookings straight away. And it has happened to me in the past that once you set the listing, you get bookings within 20 minutes, within an hour. I'm going to just go for I am not ready right now, because of course I want to make sure that this property isn't really listed. Oh wow, this is taking long. I wanted to show you how the listing looks like in the end, but it seems that my account has been disabled. I'm assuming it happened because I was uploading a fake ad. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and that's it for today.